Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll discuss the best 3D printer for Mac. If you're a Mac user interested in 3D printing, you've come to the right place. The output of 3D printing is incredible, and with the right printer, you can create stunning pieces of art that will last for years. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we've collected the 5 best printers for Mac users looking to get into 3D printing. This 3D printer can be used in any condition and is compatible with the latest Mac OS. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Dremel DigiLab 3D printer. Are you looking for the ultimate 3D printing experience on your Mac? This incredible machine is your gateway to a world of creativity and innovation. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, it's no wonder this printer takes the top spot for Mac users. One of the standout features of the Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 is its compatibility with a wide range of advanced materials. Whether you're working with ABS, Nylon, PETG, or PLA filament, this printer covers you. Its all-metal 0.4mm nozzle can heat up to an impressive 280 degrees Celsius, while the removable glass build plate can reach 100 degrees Celsius, ensuring smooth printing with almost any 1.75mm filament you choose. Setting up the Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 is a breeze, thanks to its guided setup process. You'll be up and running from unboxing to printing in just a few minutes. The 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen offers an intuitive interface, allowing you to navigate different functions easily. The built-in RFID reader automatically detects the Dremel filament you use and selects your optimal print settings. So if you want the DigiLab 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box.